that little mouse, 'cause I'm an albatross. I'm an albatross.
Hello guys, I'm your Andrea Fox. Today I'm gonna react to the new video of Pymation, Beer Town News original animation. By the way, Pymation, I know I repeat Pymation, but I won't do this. Okay, let's go in. Wait, in 3, 2, 1, go. Good vision, fellas.
This is a Bird Town special report with Chip Chirpley. I'm Chip Chirpley. That's me. Yet another home has fallen from its tree, killing 3 birds inside. This is the 7th home to fall in the past month, and all eyes are on construction workers. Out in the field with some birdhouse builder birds is Alan Tallinson.
Thanks, Chip. Do you feel responsible for the structure of these houses collapsing?
We ain't done nothing but our jobs. I swear it's those floozy mothers with like 20 kids just waiting to hold things down.
Slutty birds. Riveting stuff, Alan. Could we get a word with a slutty bird?
I have a slutty bird right here.
Are you sure that maybe I'll...
Slut, do you think the
Are you
sheer
sure
weight
about
of
this
eggs could be causing the falling house crisis for slut birds like yourself?
Sounds like a hot debate, Alan. Let's get these two on the line and try to make sense of their arguments. Well, I'm glad we worked that out. Back to you, Alan. What have you got for us?
Thanks, Chip. Here I have a local food shop owner. Ma'am, what do you think about the crisis?
All we really need are some more support beams and stronger rope hooks. We could petition the mayor to give the Build-A-Birds extra funding, and they'll fix our little town right up. The mayor's a lovely man, so I'm sure he'd hear us out.
Yeah, huh? And how about you, old senile bird?
Riveting stuff, Alan. People really hate the mayor right now.
Every on the blade to the mayor.
Yes. Incredible. The mayor is now holding a public conference to address the crisis.
What if we just lived on the ground?
Absolutely disgraceful.
That wasn't
What do the birds out there
good
think,
option,
Alan?
my
Well,
dear.
let's find someone. Hey, you over there, cutting the support beams under that house.
Oh
What do you
God,
think about the
is
mayor's
he
comments?
so?
A what?
A what?
I don't think he's heard the comments yet. Sorry about that, Chip.
He's
It's all good,
scotching.
Alan. Really riveting stuff. But that's all the time we have for this segment.
Are
Care
they
to lead into
stupid
the
or
next bit, Alan?
something?
Well, up next, we have
He's
a real
good.
riveting
Still-
story.
Don't use that word, Alan.
Wait.
That's my word.
Up next for
Arrogance.
Bird Town News. Foreshadowing. What is it? And does it ruin punchlines?
The credit is better to go. Pymation.
Pymations, yeah!
Uh-huh,
Oh,
yeah. And how about you, old senile? Senile?